I am going to put the bevels on. I put some layout fluid on there, scratched some lines to grind to, and made my way over to the grinder. To establish the preliminary bevel and plunge line, I just used a 36 grit belt. Still rough, but I called it good here. I marked, scratched, and punched where I want the pins to go, and went to work on the drill press. This is where I'm at. I went through my current 5160 leaf spring normalization process, and then got ready for heat treat. After normalization, I preheat my oil to about 125 degrees before heating the blade up one last time and dipping it in the oil. After the quench, I put the blade in the plates at about 400 degrees and let it finish cooling off there. The file feels and sounds good, so I'm off to temper. Fresh out of 2 temper cycles, I began cleaning the profile up. I did a little bit of hand sanding, cleaned up the spine, and then marked some new lines. From here I went to the belt grinder and went through the grits. I started with 36 grit again and ran through 36 grit all the way up to 400 grit on the bevel, making sure to keep the blade cool. So this is where I'm at. I think it looks really cool. I took the bevel to 400 grit and then put a Scotch-Brite finish on it. And now I've just got a lot of sanding work to do. I haven't been able to do a lot of handle work. I'm waiting for my micarta pins. I want micarta in that acrylic. I think it'll look better than brass or stainless steel. I'm hoping it shows up today. It should, so we're kind of waiting on that. But you know, until they arrive, I'm gonna start sanding this thing. Got a lot of sanding to do.